Hariom, hope you're all doing well. It's been a long time we haven't met. I pray that God will be with you in every step you take, and let's hope for the good things to happen. Stay safe and take good care of yourself. Now let's get into the class with a prayer. Close your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath and chant Om 3 times.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्.
This video is about a very interesting topic. I'm not going to tell you the topic, but I'll give you some clues, so find out if able. It is a substance composed of chemical elements like hydrogen and oxygen. It exists in gaseous form, liquid form, and in solid state. It is one of the essential component. And one more clue is it is tasteless, odorless, and it will be a liquid at room temperature. And it is very essential for our life. Can you all guess what you're going to see? Yeah, it is about water. And in that water, a fantastic natural scenery is there, that is waterfalls. Today's topic is waterfalls. In the previous video, you might have learnt about our state and the landscape of Tamil Nadu, that is mountain, about plateaus, plains and coast. Now, in this video, we are going to see about waterfalls. Learning objective of this video, we will be knowing about the different waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. This is nothing but class 4 unit 2 physical features of Tamil Nadu, and our topic is waterfalls. Now let's get into the video. Waterfalls. The name itself brings some enjoyment to us, right? So waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls, and we are going to see some of them. Waterfalls can be seen in almost everywhere in the country, around the world. They come in many different sizes and many different shapes. Some of the ways to classify waterfalls include like keeping the track of the average volume, we can classify them, and through the flow of waterfall, by measuring the width of the waterfall, and by measuring the height of the waterfall, it can be classified. There are also different types of waterfalls. Some of the famous waterfalls we are going to see now. People around the world are fascinated by waterfalls and travel many miles just to observe the beautiful shimmering water falling over the rocks. Have you ever seen any waterfalls before? How nice it will be. So first we are going to see about Niagara Falls, which is in USA and Canada. So Niagara Falls is a top tourist destination in the world. It is located between the United States and Canada, forming a natural boundary between two countries. So next is about Cascata degli Marmor. Ancient Romans created a man-made waterfall in Italy called the Cascata degli Marmor. This waterfall's height is nearly 165 meters and the tallest man-made waterfall throughout the world. A third is about Angel Falls. It is in Venezuela. Angel Falls, located in Venezuela, is the tallest waterfall in the world. At Angel Falls, the water drops 979 meters over the mountain. Then the last one is about Valley of Lauterbrunnen. Located in Switzerland, it is a valley of Lauterbrunnen, which is made up of several glaciers. Within this valley, there are 72 waterfalls. Walking trails along with tours are available for the enjoyment of sightseers. Make sure to contact the local authorities before planning a hike to see if any section of trail has been closed. See some important waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. First one is Hokenakal waterfall. Can you guess where it is? It is located in Dharmaburi on the river Kaveri. It is also known for bathing area, boat rides, and many tourists all around the year. If you get chance, go and see. The next is Kutralam Falls. It is located in Tenkasi. It is the western Ghats on the river Chittar. There are a total of 9 falls, of which Peraruvi, Aindaravi and Puliyaravi are the most prominent in this. The third one is Surali Waterfalls. It is located in Theni. Here the waterfall from the series of rock steps and it looks very beautiful. Fourth one is Vattapari Waterfalls. It is located in Kanyakumari. The fall is surrounded by forest on all sides. People are allowed to take a natural bath there. I hope you all have understood about waterfalls and some waterfalls about Tamil Nadu and some important waterfalls in the world. Learn outcome of this video. We have known what is waterfall and some important waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Time for us to recall. We have seen Okenakal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Surli waterfalls, Vattapare waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. And waterfalls is an area where river flows down from a mountain. Want healthy eyes? Follow these simple, easy eye exercise. Children, focus on your thumb by zooming inward and outward. Bring your thumb closer to your eyes and away from your eyes. Take a pencil and look at the point of the tip so that you can focus your eyes on it. Bring it closer, again back, closer, back. Now, the same way, take the tip of the pencil and keep it straight to your eyes and practice once more. Bring it closer and bring it back. Close your eyes for few seconds with your palm so that your eyes will be relaxed. You can now move your eyes right, above, left, down. Again, left, up, right, down. Rotate your eyes in all the directions, starting from right side and again from the left side. Practice once more. Now children, wash your face with clean water, which is in your room temperature. Children, after the prayer, I will send you some links to complete your worksheet. Open the link and copy down the questions and answers in your notebook and send a photocopy to me. Children, let's conclude the class with the prayer. Slowly close your eyes. Let's all close our eyes. Take deep breath. Chant Om 3 times.
पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।